all of that is like business stuff, money stuff, period. Because your girl is about getting her coin, okay? In my bag, okay? Hi girl. If they say I ain't the baddest, then the motherfuckers lie. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Keandra back with another video. And in this video, as y'all saw by the title, I'm gonna be doing a what's on my iPhone video. I like watching these, they kind of fun, so I thought I'd film one or whatever. So I'm gonna put the screen recording on the screen, and 3, 2, 1, period. So when you first get on my phone or whatever, it's picture me. When you first get on my phone, it's it ended. I have to try this again. Okay, so when you first open my phone, this is what it looks like. So I basically just have all of my social media apps at the top. I got Snapchat, which is my favorite like app ever. So y'all can add me on Snapchat or whatever. I'm gonna put the stuff on the screen. My social medias are always in my description box, but period. Add your girl on the Snap. I got Facebook, which I really don't advertise on my YouTube. I got Instagram. Follow me on there. At oh, it's one of my favorite YouTubers. I always be watching her. But yeah. Follow my Instagram. I'm trying to be more active, y'all. Like I really am. I just because when I'm more active, like I really get, you know, like more impressions and all that, but I'm very inactive on there. I'm trying them. Then I have Facebook page, which is for my Krochets account. So it's called Keandra's Crochet. So basically, I could see this page on there and everything, and just keep in touch and contact people, all of that good stuff. Then I have Messenger. I have Spotify, which I really don't use at all because I don't know, I just don't use it anymore. But I got Spotify on here. I got YouTube, of course. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below right now, sis, or whoever watching this video. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. But yeah, I have YouTube. Then I have YouTube Studio to see like everything, to see like comments, to see my analytics and all of that stuff. Then I have the Bible app because we need Jesus every day, like period. So I got the Bible app. I always like reading the verse of the day and stuff like that. God is important, a very important part of my life. Then I have Sprinkle of Jesus. I love this app. Oh my gosh, I love this app because this app is gonna give it to you real, and it's just gonna, like, I don't know, they just send you messages. You just get like a message every day. And it's always something positive or like some good advice or stuff like that. I just love this app. So I have that app. I have Pinterest, which I really like being on here to get inspiration, to get ideas. Y'all know what Pinterest is. So yeah, I have Pinterest. I have Life 360. Life 360 is an app where you and like other people can get in and be a, basically like get into like a group or a family, and y'all can see each other's location. So me, my mom, and my brother on there, because if anybody try to steal me, like mama can see where I'm at, and then she could just pull up and get me, period. So that's why we got that app. And then I have Gmail, which is my email and all of that good stuff. I have Google Photos, which I used to have a Galaxy, and then I moved over to iPhone like some years ago. So I have all like my old pictures and stuff on there. Then I have a folder that's called Shopping. I have in here AliExpress, which y'all probably know about, just like a shopping app with a whole bunch of like China-based shoppers, whatever. I get my lashes off of there. I got Amazon, which I love. I got Retail Me Not, which I really don't use, but Retail Me Not is like an app where it uses your location. It basically finds you coupons for like places. Like when you walk into the mall, it'll like give you all the coupons, all that stuff. I have Poshmark, which I never really be on. I do plan on selling some stuff in the future though, because I have a lot of clothes that I don't wear. Then I have Arrive, which I love this app. So basically, if you order any packages and you want to see like when they arrive in or if they shipped and all that stuff, this is that app. So they basically use your email and track your packages for you. Really like the app. Govy Home is an app that goes with my Bluetooth lights that are around my TV. I got the lights off of Amazon and I love them. Yeah, basically I can control my lights like on and off. My Bluetooth has to be on. I can control my lights. I can control the colors. I can control if I want them to if I want the colors to move to music, all of that stuff. So that's a really cool app. I have DoorDash. Period. I'm gonna leave my little link thing in the description box, because I think like if you refer people and stuff like that, y'all get what I'm trying to say. I put on the screen or something like that. But your girl love DoorDash. Like, I be hungry and DoorDash just be coming through. And then I have YOLO. I really don't use this app like that. I use it sometime, but y'all know what YOLO is. Well, if you don't know, it's an app that goes with Snapchat, where you can like ask questions and people can respond to the question anonymously. And I also have iMusic. I really like this app. It used to be called something else, I forgot, but then they changed the app or something like that. But basically this is the app where you can get free music and stuff. So I got that app. I have my Roku app that hooks up to my TV. Basically it makes my phone a remote control. I can control my TV with my phone and stuff like that, and go back and forth between channels and all of that stuff. And then I have travel. I have the Lyft app, and then I have the bus app. Then I have Mario Kart, which is fun. That's the only game I got on my phone because I don't play games, period. I'm just playing, but that's the only game that I have on my phone. Then I have the Apple Store. I have clips. Those are stuff that like came with the phone. Y'all know what the Apple Store is. I got bookmarks. All of this stuff is for crocheting because I'm a crocheter, an entrepreneur, if you guys didn't know. And I like to use these, like I have the Hobby Lobby website to see like what sales going on for the yarn and stuff like that. Then I have like women's size charts so I can like size my stuff. And then I have Bitmoji, which I really haven't updated, goes with Snapchat. I have Boomerang for Instagram, which I don't think I really need it anymore because it's like, I think it's inside of Instagram now, or maybe, I don't know. I really don't use it like that though. Then I have Measure. This came in handy when I couldn't find my measuring tape one day to like size something, and I was like, dang, you can size stuff with your phone. Like you can literally measure something with your phone. That's crazy. Then I have I have a folder that's called Photo and Video, and that basically has a whole bunch of apps that I use to either create intros, like the one that y'all saw in this video. That's my newest like intro that I just created, or I use these apps to edit my videos. What else? Create my thumbnails. So Fonto is a really good app for creating thumbnails. That's what I use that for. I use Rehearted for finding like different backgrounds and stuff like that to put in my intros. Then the Eraser app is basically like you can erase stuff out of pictures to like crop yourself and cut yourself out, if that makes sense. Facetune is an app that an editing app for pictures and stuff like that. That's what I edit my Instagram pictures with. VLO is what I use to edit. Documents is where you can save different memes and save different videos off of YouTube and use them, like put them in your videos. Superimpose X, another editing app that I use for my thumbnails and for my like everything. Then I have InShot, which I don't really use like that. I have a Glitch Video. I have KindMaster, another editing app. Pocket Video, another editing app. And Motion Portrait, which makes pictures like come to life, like blink and all that stuff. Then I have my money app. I have PayPal, which is what I use to get paid, period. I have PayPal, which I use to get paid when people pay me for buying my stuff, crochet stuff. And same with Cash App. I also use PayPal for when companies like send me stuff to review, send me money and stuff like that. I have Sweatcoin, which I don't really like. I don't pay attention to it, but I guess like when you walk outside, you get little coins and then they turn into like different reward stuff. Dabble is kind of the same thing. I don't even use that either. Panel app is the same thing. I have Educators Credit Union, which is my bank, and then I have Square because I have a Square reader, even though I haven't used it yet. All of that is like business stuff, money stuff, period, because your girl is about getting her coin, okay? In my bag, okay? Then WhatsApp is what I use to communicate with different companies and stuff like that when they want to reach out to me. And then Spectrum TV is like my cable or whatever. I can watch TV on my phone. Work is work. The Crew app is what we use to communicate with each other, like the whole staff and like all the employees and stuff. Why did I say staff? Staff reminds me of school, like I don't know. But all the employees are in there, all of my coworkers. Then Scoops was an app that we use for our training. And then Krochets Mobile is how I can clock in and clock out and see my hours and all of that work stuff. I don't know what GarageBand is. It came with the phone. iMovie came with the phone. I don't really use it anymore. iTunes U, I don't know what that is. I don't know what Keynote is. I don't know what Numbers is, and I don't know what Pages is, or Shortcuts. But I also have T-Mobile Tuesday. That's my phone company or whatever. And they be having little deals in here and stuff like that. And then I have Marcus, the app, because I work at a Marcus theater. So I have that app to look up movies and all of that good stuff. Oh, I forgot to show y'all. Oh my gosh, I forgot to show y'all the first page. Should I have went in order or something like that? I don't know. I swiped this way first and I'm just gonna go back. I don't know. On this page, I just have mail, which is my iCloud, and I don't even use that email. I always use Gmail, so I don't use my iCloud like that. I have calendar. I have my photos, which is just all of my photos and stuff like that. Shopcase Krochets. Get in with it. The thigh high, made by me, period. I be screenshotting different stuff. Yeah, that's that. Then I have camera. Y'all know what the camera is. Period. Ooh, look at this camera. Period. I look like a little schoolgirl with these glasses on. I wear glasses, y'all. It's like, that ain't nothing new. But these black ones just do make you like a little schoolgirl. And the glare is like very, I know I'm getting off topic, but the glare in my other glasses is way worse than this. So that's why I switched to these. Anyway. Then I have the extras folder where it has all the stuff that I don't use. It has the compass, tips, voice memos, contacts, find my iPhone, I think, podcasts, and calculator. I do use the calculator, but I always just scroll down and tap the calculator that way. This app is called Reference. I do be using this folder sometimes, like for maps when I want to get around or go somewhere, or then stocks. Then I have notes, which I'm in this app constantly, like not writing down, but type in different video ideas that I have, all type of stuff. I think I just accidentally clicked on this. But anyways, I have reminders, which I use sometimes. I have news, I have books, Apple TV, which I don't use, health I don't use, and then wallet I do use. I have the weather app. I have my settings. I have lifestyle, and it's just the iTunes app in this little folder, but I don't know. Then I have home, claim all the stuff that came with the app. Clock, files. Productivity is Google Drive, Docs, and Google Slides. Honestly, all of these can get deleted because I only used those when I was in high school. So then at the bottom, I have I should have been said this. This video is all over the place. At the bottom, I have my call log, all that stuff. I have FaceTime. I have the Safari little internet thing app, and then I have messages. So yeah, that's really all that's on my iPhone. I might re-record. Should I re-record this? Nah. So it was all over the place, but that was my what's on my iPhone video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If y'all did, give the video a thumbs up and comment down below like what's your favorite app. I want to know, or like if we share some of the same apps or something. Like, just comment anything. Make sure y'all subscribe, and hit that bell for post notifications so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Period. I'll see y'all in the next one.
Let me give you all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you home. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had to let you go to the club with your boys